everyone, welcome back to Storytime Vlog, and I hope everyone is doing good. So guys, today I'm going to do this Sinju mukbang. So before I start, let me show you the ingredients. Let's go.
Why? Masala. Mix it. Uncle chips. Kurkure. Mix. Purple less. Chop onions. Chop cabbage. Cucumber. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I'm gonna add more, okay guys? Rice bran oil. Now let's mix this all together. Mix. Lastly, squeeze lemon.
The ingredients you can add according to your choices or preferences, and even the spice level you can add according to your tolerance, okay? So before I start, let me thank God. Let's start. So guys, I'm going to try, okay? Here comes the first bite. Guys, it's too good, and I really like the smell of the green chili. Lemon. Wow. Guys, this one is too good. Okay, it's really yummy. Guys, slowly, it's getting spicier. Wow. So guys, I guess the video is getting longer and then I'll stop here. I'm going to continue having this again because this one is too yummy, and I hope you enjoyed the Sinjung Mukbang. I'll see you in my next video. Everyone take care and stay safe. Bye bye.